Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today's Sunday. We're going to do another shave. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Oh yes. Well, today's shave is going to be a nice one. But before I talk about that, I want to tell you that I've been called a lot of things in my life. And just recently, I was called a trotter hog. And because of that, I got with Razor Ray. I stole Paul Trotter's logo, and I made a shirt. So here we go. This is my Trotter Hogs shirt. You can see the logo that I stole. And I'd like to say thank you to Razor Ray for doing the design for me. And I made the shirt along with my wife. That's something that we do on the side along with those insulated koozie cups. All right, so today's shave, you know it. It's going to be a Trotter's brush. And this one is the copper pot. As you can see, I already have my soap lathered up. Today's soap is going to be by Strike Gold Shave. And this is, see that light flickering? This is Camp David. And the scent on this, you know, I'm picking up, it kind of reminds me of Creed Aventus. But I can pick up a little bit of cherry there on top. There's what this soap looks like. And I don't know what the scent profile really is, but I'll have to do some digging around to see if I can find it. If I do find it, I will put a scent description right there. And today's razor is going to be by DS Cosmetics. And this is an all stainless steel razor with a scalloped head and an open comb. And this particular one is the DSX2, and I can't remember the name of the handle, but the shape of it really reminds me, and I actually took it apart just to see, and held it up there to the Game Changer, and it's very close. I don't know what that particular razor is a clone of, but the tabs and all that stuff are identical. I actually put that cap on the Game Changer and it fit nice. All right, so I do have the lather already whipped up in the Captain's Choice copper bowl, and whew, that is a nice lather. Let me tell you, thoroughly impressed with these soaps. Well, how was your 4th of July weekend? Are you off tomorrow, or do you have to go back to work? That is the big question. Some people have to go back to work, others do not. I had a nice weekend. Saturday it did rain a little bit, but that was nice because it kind of helped cool off everything. And I forgot to mention, I do have a new Gillette super thin blade in there. And if you didn't see, I got a little area there that's I don't know if it's an ingrown hair or pimple, but it just wants to keep coming back. So here we go with pass one. And did you notice I got a haircut? My last video when I was uploading it, I was like, you know what? I need a haircut. I gauge it by, if I can pinch it, it's time for a cut. And it was well beyond the time for a cut. So, being that it's Sunday and all, you have one more day to enter for the giveaway for the Razor Company $50 gift card and do the contribution for Kim's GoFundMe. Now, when I did make that video, I did make a goof because I really don't know that much about GoFundMe. And I did not realize that there was a $5 minimum. And I was just using the $4 because I thought 4th of July. And I thought that would, you know, be an amount that would be easy for a lot of people. And I thought, well, if I make it a low number like that, it will help Kim, but would also allow you to make multiple donations in the lower amount. That way it gives you a better chance to win the gift card. And I may have not said that real well in the video because I was trying to make it short and to the point because I didn't want anybody to, you know, get lost in the sauce. Now, I will tell you, this particular soap, I do believe it is in the older base, and it doesn't have as much slickness as the other soap that I used from Strike Gold. And for as early as it is, I hope you're... You see that again? That light's flickering over there. Anyway, people are already popping off fireworks, and I hope you don't hear it. If you do, oh well, they're just having a good old time. I really do enjoy this scent. It is nice. Oh yeah. Should I do the lather demonstration? Let me see if I can pick up what's in the bowl. I know if you guys watched my live video and I tried doing that this last time, I had actually had it just a little too thin or too thick, and so, but it worked nonetheless. But here is the lather from the Strike Gold Shaves soap. Perfect. Now I've got to wash my hands off. All right, and let's go for pass 2 across the grain. This particular razor is very smooth. I like the looks of it. And it's an excellent shave. It really is. Thinking about some of my previous conversations in my videos, I've been talking about wanting to downsize. And, excuse me, this razor was one of the razors that whenever I was going back through my list, can you hear that? It's loud. Fireworks. But anyway, this was one of the razors that I had on my new downsizing list of a possibility of getting rid of, and this is why I'm breaking it out to shave with it. And matter of fact, I don't think I've ever done a video with this razor, but I thought before I send it down the road, I will shave with it one more time. And this shave is turning out to be very nice, and so I think I will have to put this one on the back burner and keep it on the keep list. Or put it on the keep list, I should say. I may have to try some of my other razors back there. The whole goal for me is to just have a handful of razors that I would like. And, you know, there's no reason to keep all the new modern razors, but I will not touch or get rid of any of my vintage razors. So, wow, that is nice and close. No irritation. That razor and blade combo, very smooth. Excellent shave. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Well, I don't have the matching splash, but I will stick with the Stirling Unscented Glacial Splash. It is a proven winner to me, and so I'm just going to keep using it. Oh, wow. Ooh, yeah. Nice. I got a little bit much there. It's running down my hand. All right, and I'm going to use some Star Jelly to go along with that. I forgot the ice cube. Sometimes in the morning when I wake up and get ready and start prepping for my video, I've got to go downstairs to my main floor, and that's where my refrigerator and all that stuff's at. And so after I get all the stuff up here ready and prepped, I forget about the ice cube stick. You can see that little spot. I'm ready for that to go away. But anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow for the drawing announcement video, and it'll be a quick video as well. So Paul, if you're still watching, hopefully you didn't mind that I stole your logo, but really it was for a good purpose. If you guys don't have a Trotters brush and you would like to have a quality brush, go check him out on Etsy. He's also on Instagram, and every weekend he's always popping out new brushes, and they are excellent. All right, well, that concludes my shave for the day. I will put a picture right here of everything that I used, and I will see you guys tomorrow, but I'll also see you on Will It Shave Wednesday, and we'll see some more blade comparison showdowns. You have a great rest of your weekend.